Welcome back, Nail Queens, to my second video and giveaway in my 10K giveaway. This video is sponsored by Kimberz Kreations, and she will be giving away to one lucky winner a $50 gift card and this exclusive trio that I have in my hands here. All you have to do to enter is answer this question here, if you're Team Flakes or Team Glitter. This giveaway will end in 48 hours from the video release, so definitely answer that question now. So these three colors, or this one I'm holding up here, came in this exclusive trio. It's sold out, so one lucky winner will be able to get this sold out trio. That's so exciting. And these colors, especially the flakies, they're just like really breathtaking, and I think the gray one has to be my favorite of the three. But I do plan on wearing the lighter one, Champagne Bubbles. It's absolutely breathtaking. It's like a light peach, in my opinion, with gorgeous like fiery peach flakes. It's very, very, very flaky. It's very gorgeous, and this video isn't even doing the color justice. So I'm going to pull out my Kimberz Kreations dip liquids. She does sell dip liquids. Actually, she sells builder gel, and she has a matte dip top coat. She has a large variety of things. So yeah, here's the matte dip top coat. So if you are anti-gel, this is a great alternative. I've already used it before and it's incredible. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and dip my nails in this color. All 5 fingers are just gonna be one color, this gorgeous Flake Champagne Bubbles. But if you haven't already seen my builder gel application video that I did about a month ago using Kimberz Kreations builder gel, it is literally my favorite builder gel on the market right now. I've tried maybe 8 to 10 different brands of builder gel so far, and I love a lot of them, but there wasn't one that I've loved as much as I love the Kimberz Kreation ones, and she sells it in a pot and a bottle, so you get the best of both worlds depending on what you prefer. And literally the formula in the pot is the same as the formula in the bottle. It's insane. It's incredible. It's my favorite. It's glass. It's so crystal clear and clear like glass. I don't know. I could rave about that builder gel forever and ever. It's actually on my fingers right now. That's the clear builder gel that I'm wearing on my right hand. On my left hand, I am testing the rose pink builder gel from Dipalicious, just so you know what's on my left hand right now. So I do like to try out other companies' products, even when I do have a favorite. I still like to hunt and try other things and see how it compares and see if my favorite still stays my favorite. Does that make me crazy? Anyways, so I'm just gonna keep dipping and I'll be right back. As you should do with all your flakes, foils, and glitters, you should encapsulate in clear dip powder. Kimberz Kreations sells a great clear dip powder. I have 1 ounce of it and I do love using it. So I'm going to use that to encapsulate this beautiful flaky dip powder in clear so that when I do my filing, shaping, and buffing, I'm not ruining those gorgeous flakes or taking away any of the pigment. I know this was a pretty straightforward mani. It's very simple, all one color, but I feel like I don't do enough one color manis. I like to do really exotic, super artistic manis, and sometimes I don't pay attention to the simplicity and the beauty of just doing one simple color. So when you have a color this gorgeous, like champagne bubbles, sometimes you just gotta one color on all 5 fingers so you can truly appreciate the beauty of it and admire it. So I'm gonna finish up. So I went outside and I got in the sunlight so that you guys can see how the sun hits the flakes a little bit better. I will say that even now looking at this video, it still doesn't capture the beauty that I see with my naked eye. I hope you guys love this video, and I want to say thank you guys so much for your support and for subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!